'Cause I'm really in love with you. When I'm looking at pictures of you, I remember moments and my heart feels like you. You've been a big surprise. My soul now feels alive. And now I know the thrill to fall in love. 'Cause this is real love.
Cheese test ulit.
Sumukha ng tao. Ano? Doon tayo sa ano. Stop. Have you spit in you? Hi, Shan. Okay. Shopping si Shan. Let's go up. Go out na. What did you buy? Clothes. Binigyan ko siya ng mga long sleeve na kailangan niya sa school. Hi, Shan. Bye-bye. That's it na? Ha?
MS 63.
What are we gonna eat? Bread sauce. The bread smells so yummy.
Yo yo.
Yo yo.
Yo.
Hello. Oh, there's a train. You want to ride a train? Hello, hello.
Hello.
Welcome to Mami's Vlog.
Welcome to Mami's Vlog.
Dito kami sa Trinoma. Mag-Happy New Year ka muna, be.
Happy New Year.
Ito, tumingin.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, everyone. Okay, let's go to Mango to find something for me. You want to ride? Ang laki na ng space doon, no? Caramia. Hi, Sean. Dito kami sa El Polologo. Navidad! We're here at Polo Loco. Ikaw hawak. Feliz Navidad, Sean!
Feliz Navidad.
Feliz Navidad! This is the favorite of Sean. Meron kaming nachos. Are you having fun with your nachos? But we still have food here. May ribs tayo dito, tsaka yun. Hot can grilled, fire grilled. We have rice here and drinks and something. I will give you food na. Okay, grab your... Give me that na. Give me your plate. I will give you rice. There's a lot. You have to eat a lot, okay? Okay, I will give you chicken. Did you? How about this side? Want this? O yung chicken? Chicken? You want the drumstick? Huh? Also this. You want to cut this? You should taste this. With your ano na? Gusto mo na ribs? Ito din. Which one? Okay. Babe, you want me to cut it? Huh? Say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Yeah, let's eat, guys. Done. Pero hindi pa talaga naubos ang pagkain. Ito, ubos. Siyan. Yung food mo, hindi pa tapos. Yan. Tapos na kami kumain ni Shan. Okay. Thank you. Yan, meron kaming take out dito. Kasi ubos. Tsaka yung resibo. Yan. Are you ready na?
Yes.
Oh, mag-ice tea ka muna. Tsaka kunting water. Doon na. Wala. Ito tayo sa IKEA. Pasok tayo sa IKEA, Shan.
What?
Pasok tayo dito. Kaya pala hinati yung National Bookstore. Okay, punta tayo sa IKEA. Ay, entrance ba to? Entrance or? Ay, dito nga. Borrow a shopping bag. Okay, you bring that one. The shop.
I'm scared.
Meron ditong shopping bag. Borrow a shopping bag. I'm scared. Why? This is the crib. Baby. The crib. Here. I think it is something. Oh, hanger. How much? I will buy hanger. Shan, ito siya, no? Where's the price? Can you check? And also this. Ito hanger spot black. This one. Also this. I like this black. I like this. I will try this one. Put it there. Is this the one, diba? There's no other hanger. Sprutik black. So 79. So okay, we will get two. Okay. Or maybe you can get a basket, basket. Ideal kitchen. Lalabs in Merles. Bili ka nito, oh. Yung set ng kitchen. Ayan. Bili kang nito, Lalabs in Merles. 29,000. Ay, 25,000. I did tell Daddy could buy another shelves.
Hiding spot
Huh? Hiding spot?
for the monsters.
This one I like. This one. Pero maliit siya, no? Tsaka manipis.
It can I hide here?
Trash. Yeah, trash. Yung ideal na trash out. I-flip up mo. Trash bin. Yan, may trash bin. I think you can put
I can hide in there.
no. This one. Nice. Nice rock. Ay, Sean, ganito oh. Di ba may ganyan akong binili? Coffee? Nice itong... Tired na? Oh, let's get some teacups. Teacups. Where's the teacups? This is what I like. Siya, open it. This is what I like. So that I will not wash dishes anymore. This is the... Ano? Dishwasher. You want to buy dishwasher for mommy? Huh? So that mommy will not wash the dish. Ay! Let's open. Knock. It won't open. Bash their heads? Why? I should have to.
Survive the night.
Huh? I like this. Ah, pero mag-ano, do not touch it. Pak nga ba? I need caption. Here. Ay, black kasi ayoko ng black. Hello. Tired ka na? Actually, kunti lang yung ano nila. Stocks. Kunti lang yung space. Ito yung crush. Here. I want this. Kailangan ko to. Sure, I need this. Bago maliit. Yung mahaba. Ito yung trash can siya, oh. Ay, trash can ba to? Yun. Konti lang naman ng ano nila. Maliit lang. Maliit lang, di ba? Sean, look here. Ay, doon lang. Doon ka, sit down. Ay, huwag ka nakahiga. Halika na. Sit down properly. I know. I here. There, oh there. Dali na. Ay, okay. Matangkad ka kasi. O, dyan. Ay, that's it. Hindi pa ako na. Smile. Ay, ano yun nandun? Oh, yeah. Smile, Shan. Bes, look here. Smile. Ay, hindi pag... Ano yan? Aroma. Smile mo na, Bes. Smile. Cinnamon. Look here. Look here. Okay, let's go na. Daddy. Smells good. Si siya nang magpili ng scent. Ha? Smells so good, no?
Kano siya?
10,200. Hi, Shan. Wow. Yellow. Yellow ang ano niya ngayon, color. Yun yung 100 ml.
Apo, ma.
Okay. Ayan. Very nice. Parang ayoko yung open. Cute. Ayan. Meron akong Jo Malone perfume. Ayan. Maliit lang muna. Next time na yung malaki. Thank you. Thank you. Ayan. Shopping kami ni Shan. Sa Bayo naman, bibitin ako kung meron tayong mabili. Ayan, nandito kami sa Bayo. I'm gonna buy top. Ay, Sean. Busy? Ito yung perfume na binili ko. Bago. Okay, mag-pay muna ako. Ayan, I have po one top. Bili kami ng taho. Ayan, taho. And so much for now, and thank you for watching. God bless everyone. Bye!